Boil the chicken feet for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's softened to your preference, with some lemongrass, kaffir leaves, and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon seasoning. Okay, so next step, after you boil the chicken feet for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, okay, we're gonna let it cool down a little bit first, and then add some of the broth, the chicken broth that it was cooking in. Add some, just to get it wet. And some flour, all-purpose flour. And mix it up. I'm eyeballing everything, so that's gonna be up to you too. If you want a more crispy, more flour on your chicken feet, feel free to add more if you like, but this is about right for me, okay? And then for the seasoning, I'm gonna add this. This is the Lobo Lap Nam Tok seasoning, okay? Sprinkle it on there. It's up to you how much you want to add. If you want it more flavorful, add more. Okay, so now this is ready to be air fried. Okay, so before we cook it, I'm going to spray it with some Pam, some cooking spray, okay? Fryer there. And I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes to start out with. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. We're gonna take a look at it. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna flip them. Okay. Okay, so they're up and flipped. I'm gonna put them back and cook it some more. Guys, 20 minutes total, and this is the result. I wish I had better lighting for you. I'm doing this at nighttime and not natural lighting, but you can see. Air fried chicken feet. Let's give it a try here. Let's see, where's my tongs? Okay. Okay. Voila! Air fried chicken feet. I want to see what it tastes like. Still hot though. Okay. Still crunchy too. Mmm. It's crispy thoroughly around, all the way around. Mmm. Chicken feet, guys. Air fried chicken feet. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.